It was fantastic setup, really well enjoyed. The tour was captivating all the way around and with care halfway helped. The lovely tour guide at the studio for Golden Tours kept making sure we were okay as it was very cold, lovely lady. The tour experience, from the private taxi to the visit to Warner Brothers and the return to the hotel, was extraordinary, exceeding my expectations. The drivers were very professional, and the vehicles were clean and high quality. This tour is highly recommended. Everything was very comfortable and easy, allowing you to fully enjoy the activity without any worries. Congratulations on such excellent service. Private transport, on-time pickup both ways. Lovely driver Edmund. Spotless, comfortable car. Harry Potter tour, can only say was immense. You need 5 hours. We were asked for passport for ticket pickup, didn't have it with me but they took other photo ID. The transport was adequate, punctual, and relatively clean. We were greeted by a very kind gentleman, and entry to the studios was without any difficulty. The studio tour was a wonderful experience. Bus ride was clean and safe. They played the Harry Potter movie on the way there and on the way back. My only piece of advice is to bring a pair of headphones that can plug into the TV. They don't provide any headphones so you can't hear the movie otherwise. Harry Potter Studios tour is incredible if you're a Harry Potter fan. Def recommend this. We loved it. This experience is a true must for any Harry Potter fan. The bus brings you right to the front doors of Warner Brothers Studio and I couldn't have been happier with the tour itself. Warner Brothers Studio has everything Harry Potter and it was magical to be able to see all the props and sets from the actual movies themselves. An amazing, well-organized tour. The Golden Tour's private taxis were clean, comfortable, and on time. The Warner Brothers Studio tour was magical. We love all the props and interactive shows with the Death Eaters. Our family really enjoyed walking through the sets which made us feel young and alive again. A must-do for any Harry Potter fan visiting London. Good bus ride. Could buy audio tour once we got there but honestly I wish we hadn't. There is so much to see / listen / do while you are there. It's almost info overload. If you just explore the sets on your own, and read the info posted, you learn everything you need. Booking is easy. Studio tour is worth it if you are a fan. The tickets are staggered so not overwhelmed with crowds.